Finelo AI is marketed as an AI platform which focuses on trading. But here's how it really works. It's an education app designed to teach investing basics through bite-sized lessons, quizzes, and challenges. The AI personalizes your learning path, adapting to your pace and offering daily tasks to build your confidence. So this is a built-in simulator which lets you practice strategies safely without risking real money. So users praise its clear explanations and gamified approach with ratings above 4.6 stars across Trustpilot and app stores. But it's not a broker. Simulated earnings don't translate to real profits and there's no guaranteed income. So the verdict is that Finelo AI is legit and useful for learning how trading works. But it's an education tool, not a shortcut to wealth.